Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to Dude Ranch DIY. My name is Jake, and today we are doing some tree work. We got the first day of a pretty big job. I estimated that it would take about 3 days here. So I am walking down the driveway, as you can see. Got the International and the chipper all hooked up. I had it plugged in last night. But it's pretty warm this morning. It's supposed to be like 55 degrees, which is a nice change. You can see all the snow is melting behind me. And we got Chris over here. Oh, you are looking like a real lumberjack today, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, and you're rocking the Dude Ranch shirt. Look at that. Link in the description below if you want to buy any merch. But Chris is going to be driving my truck. He's got the dump trailer with the Kubota tractor, wicked grapple, and the big tool rack on the back. We got blowers, we got barrels, we got fuel. Well, actually, we don't have fuel. We're going to go pick up some diesel for the tractor, both trucks, and the can, and then we're gonna head down to the job and get underway. We're gonna be meeting our buddy Joe over there. He's gonna be doing some climbing. We got a lot of trees to take down, so stick with us. All right, we just pulled up to the pumps. This one's gonna be expensive, boys. We got a half-empty International, half-empty chipper, fully empty F-250, and about 3/4 of a tank of the old Kubota, so we'll see how much this one's gonna cost, but yes, you certainly did do that. Well, they cut me off at 100, guys, but filled up the truck all right. Chris, how we doing over here? Oh, check out the stickers. 94.09. We're gonna squeeze by, no, $4 a gallon. We're not gonna get 5 gallons out of that.
Not at all.
We're gonna have to put in the old plastic money again. All right, we're doing the old Stretch Armstrong here. There we go. Some more of that go-go juice. You getting it?
Oh, yeah, getting it.
All right, so we just hit another 35 bucks over here. We got another 36 bucks over there. So for all the Karens out there that always say that it's too much money, oh, I can't afford it. Well, we got to pay for all this fuel. About 280 bucks just to leave to head out to this job today. We'll see you over there. We made it. Chris, taking the tractor out. Got to put the tarp on the dumpster can. And we are working up at that house over there. All right, guys, so we're here at the property. This is the front yard. As you can see, they got some big old tulips and stuff. We are going to be doing some removals, this beech being one of them. A couple more over there, but as I mentioned, this is a pretty big job, and the primary goal for today is to get the backhaul done, because they are going to be putting in a pool in the spring. So you can see this big black oak that's coming out, and then a bunch of other smaller maple and birch beech trees back here. So the pool's going to be going in the backyard. So Chris already cut out some of these mountain laurels. Got the chipper in the truck, tractor situated right here. It's got a brand new log splitter. He's gonna be splitting up some of the wood, and we're gonna be coming in back here. So this maple's coming down, as well as a bunch of other trees back here. This beech, this black oak, like I said, and a few more. So we're gonna get things underway. We're just kind of moving everything out of the way, and we'll get started. Okay guys, we are making progress. Joe brushed out this black birch. Now he's gonna chunk down a couple pieces and then we're gonna flop the whole thing into the woods here. And I will suck it out with the tractor. We got the homeowner over there with his new log splitter and saw. He's cutting up some of the smaller stuff for firewood. We already got the small maple out of the way. We got this beech tied off in the oak. We call that tip tied, so we tied it up at the top. It's being held up by this rope, if the camera will focus, up in the oak, and then we're gonna cut it from the bottom and we're gonna drag the whole thing out this way into the lawn, so the whole tree will basically be suspended. Then we're gonna do something very similar with the sugar maple over here. So here we go. Well, guys, that's a wrap. Chris just loaded up the tractor. We got the truck and chipper out here. Let me show you what we ended up doing. You can see all the chips over there. Like I said, we're gonna be coming back for at least one more day to do some of these trees in the front. But we got a lot done. So as you can see here, we got a lot of wood. The homeowner's been chipping away at cutting it up, splitting it up. They got two nice little stacks back there. Took down all these mountain laurels. We got all these stumps for the excavator to pull when they come in to put in the pool. We left the big oak stick just so that we wouldn't overwhelm the homeowner with too much wood in the driveway, but we got a rope up in it for next time. We'll yank it over with the tractor. Took down a couple trees, smaller ones over here, where we got the stumps again, left a little bit high so that it's easier for the excavator to yank them out. And all in all, it really opened it up back here quite a bit. Looks like they already got a pool, but they are super happy. I was happy with how much we got done. They just actually added on this black birch here. It's got a big rotten spot in the back. You can kind of see it right there. But yeah, that is going to wrap it up. The big tool rack was awesome. Joe really loved it. He had never seen it before in person, but you know, it just had everything, all the tools we needed throughout the day. So it worked really well. All right, guys, that is the end. Chris, how'd we do?
We did great. We knocked down a whole lot more trees than I thought we were going to today.
Yeah, me too. Joe is an animal. He climbed all the trees.
Yeah.
But we got the big oak done. Wasn't sure if we were going to do that. Weather held out for us. The ground wasn't too soft. We had a nice coat of ice and slush to protect the lawn. So all in all,
I was very surprised at how the tractor handled on the ice. 'Cause
yeah,
there was a good amount.
the whole back area, you know, was pretty tight first of all, and then there was like slush and ice. So I think the slush kind of helped give it some traction, and then the ice beneath the slush kind of helped protect the lawn. So we didn't tear it up too bad, but in the end, they are going to be ripping it all up for a pool anyway. But that's going to wrap it up. We will definitely film next time we come back. We got some big removals in the front yard, lots of wood to move and stuff. But today, all in all, was a success. So thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, I hope you enjoyed the video. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so already down below. If you like the video, give us a big thumbs up. Questions, comments, feedback, throw it in the comment section down below. But for this one, I'm Jake.
And I'm Chris.
This is Dude Ranch DIY. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys here next time.